Guys, so many times if we want to set any call forwarding options in Samsung, you will face a issue like it's going to update for long times. So this may cause because your phone is in not in a network. First things, your phone is in it phone is not in network, so you need to go with good network connectivity. Otherwise you need to wait for a few minutes and then this will be open. Right now you can see on screen the loading icon is opening, so this will take almost 10 minutes because of network connectivity. After that you will find call forwarding options. If I click on the voice call, again it start for the loading. It's totally depend upon the network connectivity. Actually, this is not error. This is a features of a Samsung which checks background updated services or any updated actions, but definitely will take a time. So this is not error, so you need to wait for a few seconds or few minutes, then these options will be visible for you and you can make changes in that.